In this video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark in HubSpot. So you may have noticed that inside your dashboard on HubSpot, there's this bookmark button over here, and it says add your first bookmark for quick access. It's actually super simple to bookmark. All you have to do is hover over a specific thing you want to bookmark. For example, if I want to go to CRM and I want to bookmark these contacts, you want to hover over contacts, and then you want to click on this button over here, which is going to bookmark it and add it to bookmarks. So as you can see, I've done this. If I hover over here inside bookmarks, there I have the contacts. If you want to unbookmark, you want to click on this button to remove from bookmarks, and that's really all you have to do. Of course, you can have multiple things in here, and if you actually go and click on this manage button, you'll be able to go and manage your bookmarks like this. You can remove things, you can kind of reorganize them, and that's it. Okay, so that's how to bookmark. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.